Looks like across the board, majority of municipalities numbers didn't look good as per the latest reported numbers. And city of Mississauga spare out as well not. Doesn't spare out as well. Because city of Mississauga prices also declined from the last month. And on the top of that, condo apartments in city of Mississauga, as you can see on the back of this video right now, where my thumbnail is, that's the main city center's condo apartment segment, where majority of condo apartment stands in city of Mississauga decline the most and touch the bottom out of bottom from the peak. I remember like a year ago my videos were coming that bottom out of bottom, but now we are seeing further bottom. So consumer confidence is not improving and market has came down drastically. Want to know more about the state of real estate of city of Mississauga? Stay tuned till the end because we're gonna uncover how's the market look like, which housing categories drop the most least year over year, month over month, how's the month of inventory looks like, and what's the pattern look like. We're gonna not only talk, we're gonna show you because visualization speak more than my words. Hey, this side Ashish Sharma, your realtor with Right at Home Realty Brokerage. In today's video, we will unlock market insights for beautiful city of Mississauga. Now, without further ado, let's unlock real estate. Welcome back. So let's start with the average price for city of Mississauga, which is also less than million bucks. Not majority of municipalities are there out which has a average price. Big municipalities, I would say, big city or town. But Brampton was the last one where we showed that, and in my last video. And now city of Mississauga also the average price is down, less than million, roughly around 995k, which is down 4.5% year over year and 2.4% month over month. When we dig deep, we saw that condo apartment dropped the most in year over year by 13.5%. Sorry, 13.5%. And on the lease side, semi-detached properties dropped the least year over year by 4.2%, and this is a cumulative 4.5% which you are seeing on the screen for overall housing. That's why I always see it's not about how Canada market is performing, it's not even about how GTA market is performing, it's not even about how Mississauga market is performing. It's about, first of all, how Mississauga is the big picture, which then drill down to the property type, then drill down to the neighborhood, then drill down to the house, then drill down to the inside out of the house, right? That's how you evaluate the market evaluation of the property. And if you are looking to get one evaluation of your home, reach out to me, I'm your guy. And if you are a buyer or investor, we always do comparative market analysis before putting an offer for our clients. So reach out to me so that you know what is happening and you get the best price in that particular day when you are buying and selling. Okay, so brings down to the month over month. So when we dig deep, we saw that condo apartment again dropped the most by 5.2% and detached property increased by 2.7%. Now, total of 548 sales happen in city of Mississauga, which is up 14.4% year over year and 3.8% month over month. There are total of 2,800, little up of 2,800 active listings on the market, which is up 32% roughly year over year and 3.3% down month over month, which brings the month of inventory to 5.1 months on the balance and buyer side. So for sure it's on the buyer side. These big cities, the technical term says 5 months, but these big cities always play out differently, right? When we dig deep, we saw that condo apartment has 6.5 months of inventory, and on the lease side, semi-detached properties has 2.9 months of inventory. It is taking on an average 31 days for any properties to get sold in city of Mississauga, and link properties are taking the most of 57 days, and semi-detached properties are flying out in 24 days. I know you guys are waiting for the chart, so let's dig deep. Look at over here. This is a buyer sellers market chart, so I'm trying to give as much value as possible. This blue line represents the average price, this yellow line represents the month of inventory, and there is a green line, red line, and red line is if the yellow line is below the red line, it means it's a seller's market. If the yellow line is between red line and green line, it means it's a balanced market. If the yellow line is above the green line, that means we are into full-fledged buyer's market according to the technical terms. Now, what is month of inventory? Month of inventory states how much time it's gonna take if no new listing will be added to the city, and based on the current sales, how much time it will take to deplete the current active listings, right? So right now, as an example, July of 2025 reported number has 5.1 months of inventory. It means if August, this data is till 31st of July. If 1st of August onwards, no new properties get added to for sale in city of Mississauga, it will take 5 months to deplete whatever is there in the market. That's what it says, right? Now, and how it you read this graph, supply and demand. Lower the inventory, the price will jack up, because if the supply of something is less, people will want to pay more for that. But when there is a supply, lot of supply, people want bargain. That's what happening. Look over here. Like if I stretch one more year, 2021, supply was less, people were paying more. Supply was normal, people were coming down. Then 2022 onwards, if we say the supply was high, prices came down. Supply low, prices went up. Supply was high, prices came down. Supply low, prices went up. Supply went up, prices came down. Now supply is playing in the higher segment, and look what is happening. Range bound. Prices are trying to adjust, and we have seen another drop in city of Mississauga, right? Now let's talk about the condo apartment. Look at over here. At one point, February of 2022, market peaked for city of Mississauga in condo apartment when month of inventory was only 0.5 months, 15 days of inventory, and the average price hit 737k. Right now, we have seen a correction of 26% in the prices in city of Mississauga condo apartment. You do not call this correction? You do not call this correction? If S&P 500 Nasdaq fell more than 10-20%, that's called depression, right? We have already seen that thing. So we are already into the correction territory from 2022. And right now, it has touched the bottom out of bottom. April also gave the bottom, but we are now another lower than the April bottom as well at 546 with 6.5 months of inventory. There are around 1,000 active listings in condo apartment segment in city of Mississauga. If you are shopping for condo apartment in Mississauga, you better get a good deal, right? And remember guys, this video is only for your information and education purposes. This is not any kind of financial advice, because you cannot just make decision based on one city and one overall housing category. There is a lot of factor, as I always speak in my videos. Drill down to the housing categories, drill down to your neighborhood, drill down to your house, drill down to your street, drill down to the condition, drill down to your age, drill down to the inside out of your property. This what we are trying to give is the bigger market picture, not based on Canada, not based on GTA, based on your city and the property types, what is happening, so that you know how's your investment, and the biggest investment of your life playing around. If you want your analysis and your purchase and sale with a data driven, reach out to me. I'm your guy. I'll be happy to help you, assist you, and navigate you throughout your needs. My number, my details, you can find it anywhere on the internet. And if you're an industry professional looking to get hold of this tool, visit unlockrealestate.ai and become a member today. You can become a free member if you are looking for e-newsletter. You can book a demo with me and I'll be happy to give you the demo as well. As I always say, keep on learning, keep on hustling, keep on growing. Until next time, have a good one.